smart store on Alibaba. This is Taochis official wholesale stores. The products we supply pass CE and rules test and have a certificate. You can buy it without any worries. All the products from our store with 1 year quality warranty. We are professional auto lighting retrofit item supplier. We supply bi-xenon projector lamps, the LED projector lamps, HID lamps, LED lamps, HID blast, transition brackets, retrofit tools, etc. Today we will take a look on one bi-xenon projector lens from our store. This lens can be used halogen lamps, HID lamps, LED lamps. As we know, some of the country only accept the lens installed halogen light source. So this lens will be the best choice for you. This lens made by aluminum material, which will have a high efficiency heat dissipation. Super clear mirror reflector bar. Vacuum plating technology makes it bear high temperatures. The lifespan will be longer than 3,000 hours. The optical converse lens made by super crystal clear glasses. It helps the lens get a perfect illumination. High quality built-in motor which is used for control high beam and low beam. It with large copper wire motor and the curtain will never be stuck. It is designed for HID lens H7. When using H7 xenon lens, it will have a best shining. Let's take a look on it. How to install the lens? The size of lens should be H7. They have a hook on the bottom of lens. It can help to fastening the lens. We just need to put the H7 lens in right position and fasten it. It will be easy to install. The same installation method with halogen lamps and LED lamps.